Morning guys, come in the motorhome this morning. I want to do a few little jobs in here, and I want to check the solar as well and the diesel heater, so everything's ready if we want to make a quick dash for something in the cold weather. We need to make sure everything is running correctly. So yeah, I've noticed one job already that we need to do, or I need to do. I'll show you that now, 2 seconds. Okay, so this is on the back wall of the motorhome, and because the damp weather's coming in, I've noticed this paper here is starting to come away, so I'll need to run a bit of adhesive down there just to make sure that that is nice and firm once again. And actually on the other side as well, it's there, I can just see, yeah, that's a bit loose as well, so I'll do that one as well. Okay, so I've also just put the solar panel on as well, and yeah, I've got 13 volts there by the looks of it, so that's charging nicely. We need the voltage to be high because the diesel heater consumes a lot of ampage on startup, and I'm going to try and start that up in a second, which I'll show you on the video, so we'll see how that turns out. But I've just noticed here, I'm not very happy with that. Yeah, I need to finish that off. Look at that. Or get Rob to do that. One of the two of us will need to do that. I don't know why that's like that. Yeah, that's not very good. Need some white bead of silicone or something down that edge. Okay, I'll sort it. Right then, let's see if we can start this diesel heater up and get some of the chill off in here. And yeah, well, let's have a go. Well, the pump's priming. I can hear the fuel burning from the exhaust outside. So we're getting there. Bit more to go, it needs to self-combust. Excellent, diesel heater's running. The glow plug has gone out, so the voltage will start to pick back up again now. Now the solar's still charging away there. So it's 12.3 at the minute, that'll start coming back up. And you can probably hear it blowing out nicely. Oh, that is really warm. That is really warm. Excellent. Yeah, this vent here is in the kitchen. And just to let you know, in case you fit one of these heaters, if you've got a long run of ducting, it's quite difficult to push some hot air out over a long distance. So we've got some air coming out of there, but there's not a great deal. So you sort of have to, in my view, put your heater where you want your heat concentrated. So in our case, it's in this living room area, and it comes out of this vent here. And actually, I mean, that's just ticking over now. The heater's just ticking over, and that's still lovely and warm here. So all this area here will be concentrated with nice warm heat. Well, that's been ticking over now for about 15 minutes, and it is lovely and warm in here. Lovely and warm. I'll turn it off in a minute. I'll use all the diesel, but it's good to come out and just to get it to tick over and get any damp out of here now and again. So we'll do that. We'll do that. But yeah, it's lovely and warm. Up this end as well. Up this end it's warm, so it does pass through the motorhome. Let's just go down here. Yeah, it's even warmer down here. So if you're sitting down here watching telly or something, then yeah, just a job. And what we could do here as well is this toilet door. You could always open the toilet door like that to act as a bit of a barrier, just to keep any warmth in this sort of cube. Yeah. Right. Okay. Oh, and stuck the wallpaper on. Yep, that's all good. It's all good now. Right, I think that's it, guys. Don't think there's any more jobs today, so we'll leave it there. Catch you soon.